At some point in our lives, most of us face a situation where we wish we could start from scratch. Imagine sitting on the beach and watching a child build a sandcastle. And as she knocks it down to start over and build something totally different, you think, I wish I could do that with my life. Maybe you even wish you could do it regularly. That's exactly where we find the people of God in the book of Ezra. The book is all about how God is restoring the people's hearts and reclaiming them as his treasures. Before this, the people of God had been captives in Babylon, and it would have been easy for them to think God might just move on from them and start over, forgetting them in their suffering. Maybe they felt that God had abandoned them, but in Ezra 3:11, the author writes, "For he, God, is good, for his steadfast love endures forever." God did not leave the Israelites in captivity so he could start over with someone else. God forgave his people, just like he forgives us. And Ezra was around for the beginning of this restoration. We can't start over in life, but our God is a God who restores. He's committed to the process of rebuilding our hearts. And just like God restored a broken Jerusalem, his love can restore your broken heart too.